All right, this is the wrap-up. Everything in this course pointed at one skill. Reading an estimate so you document the right things once in the field, not twice. Not I'll go back Thursday. Once. So, let's lock in the language. An estimate is a stack of line items. Every line item has the same bones. A code, which is the shorthand the software uses, like DRI for drywall or RFG for roofing. A description in plain words, a unit, how it's measured, a quantity, how much, and an activity, what's being done to it, replace, remove, detach, and reset, paint. Learn those 5 and you can read any line, Xactimate or Symbility, because they both speak this way even when the exact codes differ. Units are where guys trip up. SF is square feet, LF is linear feet, SY is square yards, EA is each, SQ is a roofing square, 100 square feet. Here's why it matters for you. A wall line item priced in square feet came from a length times a height. That's a measurement somebody has to capture. That measurement is a photo and a number you grab in the field with SketchEdge, the free Constructive app, right there on the wall. If the estimate says 200 square feet of drywall and your documented wall is 8 feet tall and 12 long, you can see the room the line item is describing. You're not guessing anymore. You're reading. Concrete example. Line reads, dry 1/2 inch drywall, replace SF 200. That tells you exactly what to photograph and measure. The wall, its length, its height, the damage. You capture that once in SketchEdge and you hand a documented job to estimate experts to build the estimate. Clean handoff. Now the 2 rules that keep you out of trouble. 1, keep the cheat sheet on the truck. Codes, units, activities, 1 page. 2, read every estimate that crosses your desk, even the ones that aren't yours, because reading is reps. You read to document and only to document. You don't dispute, you don't negotiate, you don't touch the claim. A disagreement goes to a licensed public adjuster or an attorney. Your job is a clean, well-documented file. Do that every time and you've won.